Come closer. My name is Ramzan. I am 13 years old. I have been studying at this school for about 3 years. I have learned Scratch, Minecraft, HTML, CSS, JS, and now I am studying Python. This school has shown me the purpose and path of programming. All the teachers are very good. But special thanks to Muaz.
My name is Abdul Qadir. I am 15 years old. I have been studying at this school for a relatively short time. The quality of learning is very good. I recommend this school to everyone who wants to seriously get into programming. The teacher gave me the motivation to study programming.
I am very glad that here in Ingushetia we have people who want to teach our children new programs and help them advance. We are satisfied with the teacher. He explains everything clearly. The school is wonderful. My child has been attending this school since 2021. I am very pleased that, at least in this school, time is devoted to the children and not to useless paperwork.